Serial 16, CWJC 4429 of 2022, Mr. Pramod Kumar.
My lords, this was the case in which I had challenged that the financial institutions seizes the vehicle through goons on road, which has been strictly depreciated by the Supreme Court. I have annexed the judgment that no goons can seize the vehicle on road. Besides, these two judgments of my honorable court is also there. Still they are doing, and the most relevant matter is that after filing my this writ application, the respondents seek time to file counter affidavit, and in the meanwhile they also seized 2 vehicles out of 7 vehicles. My lords, therefore the matter is very serious. Your lordship may kindly say, and this will create law and order problem also. And we are only saying that the order of the Supreme Court and Honorable this Court be complied with. That is only the question. And they are not doing seizing, making halla gulla and all that. I have filed 2 IE applications, your lordship, stating therein that even after or when the writ was filed, the matter was pending in the, still they dare to seize the vehicle without. This is something strange.
Yes, my lord, I am appearing for the state in this, my lord. We have filed counter affidavit on behalf of respondent number 6, Superintendent of Police, my lord, West Champaran, Betia. My lord, they have not given any application or any FIR has been lodged regarding the seizure of the vehicle. Any such application has not been made before the SP or any inspector, and any FIR has not been lodged. So we have stated in our counter affidavit also, if any such allegation is there, we'll see to it, and we have stated in our counter affidavit. Kindly see, my lord, counter affidavit. We have stated everything.
Page.
Please. Page, my lord, page, my lord, 11, my lord. Para 9.
Read it.
That it is most humbly submitted that the Superintendent of Police West Champaran at Betia most humbly submits before this honorable court that when any application in respect of unlawful seizure or taking illegal possession of the vehicle by the finance companies will be given to him or to any of the SHOs of the police stations, after full verification and after lodging of the FIR under the appropriate sections, actions against the finance company will be taken as per law. And
we will take down this para in the of the affidavit.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 7. This is the finance company, my lord. Only single vehicle has been seized. My lord, on the contrary, the submission.
You finance companies,
yes,
you do it through musclemen.
No, my lord.
And action needs to be taken against you.
No, my lord. I have filed the counter affidavit today morning itself. Perhaps it may not be on the record. We do not use, we do not deploy force, nor we use goons. My lord, in my counter affidavit, I have submitted that for the single repossession, I have submitted pre-intimation letter to the concerned police station. After repossession, post-intimation letter, all the notices were provided to the borrower. Despite that, the borrower has not paid. That is why we have seized only in accordance with the law, my lord.
Go as per law.
Yes, my lord. It has only been repossessed in accordance with law, my lord.
My lords, I may submit that they have seized the vehicle of which inventory I have already filed. The state contention is that I should give him information. I had also given some information in Muzaffarpur. No action was taken. My lords, I say why the financial institutions are seizing the vehicle on road through goons, पिस्तौल, बंदूक, रात को सब हो रहा है. और इसके बाद में my lords, may kindly see the serious views of the Supreme Court at page 66 that it cannot be, nor it can be. The financiers are at liberty. My lords have also held that the financiers are at liberty to take under NPA. They can go to the court, but they use it. My lords, I want a strict order that no financial shall seize the vehicle without any court order. Without any court order. This is the version of the Supreme Court. And this is the version of my lords that I have annexed.
I have just a small submission. My lord, whenever we repossess the vehicle, we only go through the court's order. Either it is from the competent court or it is through the arbitrary tribunal.
Give us this.
My lord.
You stop people on the road.
We do not do it, my lord.
You take their children and women out,
all, my lord.
And your musclemen take away the vehicles.
No, my lord, no,
Yes.
no,
We
no
have-
muscle man is
we-
being included.
We will deal very strictly with you.
My lord, there are ample of guidelines on this issue. We are duly abiding by that. We only repossess.
You know the Supreme Court judgment in ICICI.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. My lord, we duly follow those judgments in letter and spirit.
No,
We,
no, you are all
we,
disobeying
they-
the orders.
My lord, may kindly appreciate, there's not even a single line in the entire writ petition that force has been used.
All right, we
We,
heard you.
we have
Heard
given
you,
free
heard you
intimation
enough.
letter to the concerned police station, my lord, before repossession. We have given ample of notices.
Say
And this
petitioner-
is only in the garb of thus such
The-
guidelines the writ petition has been filed.
The order of the honorable court, my lords, of Supreme Court as well as our own High Court.
Petitioner has prayed in the writ petition to issue
My lord,
direction.
we never ever have
See
used
that-
any goons,
Will
my
you
lord.
intervene now, then you get a stricture on you.
My lord.
Petitioner has prayed that to issue a direction to the bank and financing companies not to seize the vehicles of private persons through muscle men and in a totally illegal manner. He has prayed that the ruling, that the judgment of the Supreme Court in Shanti Sharma versus ICICI Bank Limited, give the citation also, should be followed in letter and spirit. Learned State Counsel at the outset assures that the said judgment will be followed. Any violation of that will be viewed seriously and action shall be taken against the concerned finance company. Full stop. He has also referred to para 9 of his affidavit in this regard. He undertakes that a copy of this order shall be circulated to all the district magistrates in the state of Bihar. Petition is hereby disposed of.
My lord, one point I may add, that even they obtain an order from the High Courts or any courts, the seizure can be made only through district magistrate under section 14 of Surface Act. They cannot go. That may be, my lord, clear.
We are very grateful to you for educating us. Now we have to go to next case.